How to delete Gmail account permanently in Windows 11. So hey everyone, come back to the channel. So first of all, you have to open a Chrome browser and then select your Gmail from here and click on manage your Google account. And after clicking on manage your Google account, you just have to simply click on the search bar and search for delete. And here you can see delete your Google account and delete a Google service. So if you click on it, delete a Google service, it will show you all the services Google include. So for that you just need to enter your password, and now you just have to simply give the password. Like, let me give the password of my Gmail account and click on next. And after providing the password, it will show you all the services you have with this account, and you can just select the Gmail options beside delete option and you can just click on it and your Gmail will automatically delete it after this. And if you want to delete your whole Google account, you just have to click on here on the Google account, and as you can see, please read this carefully. It's not the usual yada yada. Like, all this content will be deleted, like the AdSense, Gmail, YouTube, calendar, contacts, Google Play apps, and digital content. Everything will be deleted if you click on here. And then you just have to right click on here if you want to delete your whole Google account, and then also click on yes, I want to permanently delete the Google account and all its data, and then click on Google delete account, and your Google account will be permanently deleted. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.